Good morning, children. From today onwards, we are going to start our computer subject, and our first lesson is computer concepts. As children, we all know that computers are used in corporate, education, and research, and various places based on the high technology usage. And here, that high technology will include remote access, file sharing, walkthrough, virtual reality, and touch screen. These are the main tools which is used in the computer applications, and we are going to discuss about these topics in detail. The first topic is remote accessing. What is remote accessing? Remote accessing is nothing but it is the ability to join in a network from a distant location. In general, it requires computer, modem, and remote access software. These three things it will require to join all the networks or a telephone line and connect to the desired location. And in home also, the home user will able to access the internet through the remote access, that is to ISP, internet service provider. Internet service provider will help the home user to access the internet. And the next topic is plugin. Plugin is nothing but it is a software. It helps to add some additional features to the existing software application. And when the application supports this plugin, it will enable the customization, which means it helps to customize the user. And some of the examples for this plugin is search engine, virus scanners, Adobe Flash Player, and QuickTime Player. The next topic is file sharing. File sharing is nothing but the file sharing means the sharing of computer data or space on a network. We can able to share our data or space with the help of network. That is called file sharing. Here in a shared file, here shared files can be read, or we can able to review the shared data, or if you want to update the data also we can able to update. Here more than one person can able to use the data. And here there is a concept called cryptography. What is cryptography? Cryptography is nothing but it is a technique which is used to protect the information. If you want to transfer the information from one place to another place, we have to encrypt the data, which means we have to make the data into unreadable form, that is called encryption. Then the data will be transferred to the particular person. Here that person will decrypt the data, that is encrypted data will be decrypted, then the data can be viewed. This can be done only the help of the secret key. Only the person who is having the secret key can able to decrypt the information, and they can able to see the data. This concept is called as cryptography. Our next topic is software testing. Software testing is nothing but when we talk about any software, there will be some software bugs. Software bugs is nothing but it's an error. So this can be identified with the help of software testing, and in this process, it will validate and verify the computer program and application or the product that the works as expected by the customer. And some commonly used software testing are waterfall model, spiral model, and V model. This is the use of software testing. Next topic is walkthrough. Walkthrough is nothing but it is a step-by-step execution of a program or a system. In this tool, the help of this tool, generally we can able to make the program free of logical errors. The help of this tool, we can avoid the logical errors, and also we can able to understand the way in which the program will execute. And walkthrough has three types. One is program walkthrough, system walkthrough, and structured walkthrough. What is program walkthrough? If the walkthrough is performed for a unit program, if it is worked for one program, it is called as program walkthrough. And if it is used for the collection of program, means it is called as system walkthrough. And what is structured walkthrough? If the system is break up into smaller parts and the walkthrough is performed, then it is called as structured walkthrough. So what is walkthrough? It is a step-by-step execution of a program. It can avoid the logical errors, and it can able to understand the way the program will execute. Then next topic is visual reality. Children, I hope you all know what is virtual reality. Yes, virtual reality is a artificial environment which is created by the computer hardware and software. The person who is in the virtual reality room, they may feel it is a real environment. And virtual reality is also known as artificial reality or synthetic reality. In virtual reality system, it may require very expensive hardware and software, and this virtual reality may be used in research purpose by the top companies. And what are the things which is used in this virtual reality? One is they may wear special gloves, earphones and goggles, and and all these will receive their input from the computer system, and in this way the at least 3 of the 5 senses will be controlled by the computer. This is about the virtual reality. The next topic is touch screen. Yes, you may use this touch screen computer. Yes, what is the touch screen? It is an input device that allows the user to operate a PC by just simply touching on the screen. Yes, simply touching the screen causes a voltage or a signal change, which is used to determine the location of the touch of the to the screen. Then this information is sent to the PC to be interpreted or processed. Here the typical touch input system is made up of 3 things. There is sensor, controller and software driver. The next topic is touch sensor. Touch sensor is nothing but it is a clear glass panel. It will has a touch responsive surface and it will be placed over the display screen of the monitor, and when we touch on the touch screen sensor, it will cause a voltage or signal change. This voltage change will used to determine the location where of the touch on the screen. So it is a use of touch sensor. Then next topic is controller. The controller is a small PC card. This is the controller. It is a small PC card which helps to connect the touch sensor to the computer, and it can able to translate the information that the PC can able to understand, and the controller is usually installed inside the integrated monitors. The control will determine what type of interface and the connections is which is needed by the PC. And the integrated touch monitor will have an extra cable connection which is on the back of the touch screen. This is about the controller. And the next topic is software driver. It is a software which is updated in the PC system, and it helps to allow the touch screen and the computer to work together. It tells the computer operating system how to interpret the touch event information, and it is sent from the controller. And most of the touchscreen drivers today are mouse emulsion type driver, which means it makes a touching screen the same as clicking by a mouse at the same location on the screen, and this allows the touch screen to work with the existing software. It does not need any new software to do some specific programming. With the specific programming, it can allow the same existing software to do any new applications. This is the use of software driver. And the another topic is touch screen laptop. Children, I hope you all know about what is touch screen laptop. Yes, what is touch screen laptop? It is a compact and it's a mobile computer. If we click on the monitor with the help of a fingertip, we can able to work. And now multi-touch laptops are also available, so it can accept the actions like tap, swipe or pinch or zoom on the monitor. So next topic is tablet. I hope you all have this tablet nowadays. Yes, it is also a mobile computer. Here the camera and the touch screen of a tablet have replaced the keyboard and the mouse. It works like a keyboard and the mouse, and it allows you to make call, or if you want to surf any net, or if you want to download any apps, if you want to see any games, or if you want to read, or if you want to message, everything can be done with the help of this tablet. The next topic is uses of touch screen. Children, can you tell what are the places where touch screen is used? It's used in the three main places. One is public information displays, then second is retail and restaurant system, and customer service. In public information displays, how the touchscreen is used? Yes, for the tourism display or trade show displays or any other electronic displays are used by many people. And in these places, some of the users who is not having any experience in the computer also can able to use, because it is a user friendly touch screen. So if the person who is not having the experience of computer also can able to use, because it is easier to use it than other input devices. The next one is retail and restaurant system. Touchscreens are used in the cash registers, order entry stations, and the reservation system, and more. Then in customer self service, how it is used in the customer self service? In some stores or some restaurants, railway stations, in those places they are using the self-service touchscreen terminals. And here the customer can quickly, they can place an order, or it can able to decrease the time which is used by the customer. And in ATM, automated teller machine, and in railway e-tickets also, they are using customer self-service touch screen. And then next topic is ATM. I hope everybody knows what is ATM. Yes, you may use also. What is the expansion of ATM? Automated teller machine. Yes, it is a electronic telecommunication device which is helpful for the customers to withdraw the amount without going to the bank, and all the transaction is made just by inserting the ATM card, which contains a unique card number, and the card number and authorized PIN number is different from one person to another person ATM card. So this is about the ATM. So children, first lesson gets over. We can discuss the second lesson in the next class. Thank you.